To the stage.
Our next song, our teenagers announcing it.
Excellent. That was perfect. Now, where is your mouth? Here it is. Touch your mouth. Great.
Now, where's your nose? Here it is. Well done. Touch your nose. Wonderful.
Okay, where are your knees? Here are they. Excellent. Slap your knees. Great. Now touch your toes. Bravo. Now foot up, foot down. Well done.
Children, take your parents' hand and let's sing and dance together. Our next song will be Mouth, Nose, Knees, Toes. Let's sing.
Mouth, 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 here's my mouth. Nose, 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 here's my nose. Knees, 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 here are my knees. Toes, 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 here are my toes. Mouth, nose, knees.